Hi Yang, I'm here at your unit. I just wanted to do a little video just to show you that your balcony doors were fixed. I realize you're dishing out money and I just want you to have some assurance that the work is actually being done. Now, I'm in the living room. As you can see, these doors open very easily now. They weren't impossible to open, but they were very, very difficult. And what the gentleman did was he actually took both of these off. I was actually here for the work. And what he did was he installed a brand new track there. And he also installed a new set of rollers, which, those are underneath, you can't see, but this here is brand new. And the other issue was it wasn't locking. Okay, so right now it's open. I'm gonna close it back up. Okay, it locks now. And in the other bedrooms, this is the master bedroom. Now these really just needed to be lubricated, but they weren't locking either. Now you can see this is the original track there. Maybe get out here to give you a better look at it. So you can see how it's different from the living room because that is the original. What he did was he lubricated these and he adjusted the lock. So it's open right now. And now it's locked. See? And the same issue in the other bedroom. I'm going over to the second bedroom now. This one also wasn't locking, and what he did was he just adjusted this over here to get them to lock. But you can see that that's also an original track because these really just needed lubrication. If the buyers want to do new tracks, they can do that at their own expense. Actually, put it all the way. Yeah, it just has to be all the way and then it locks without a problem. Not a very nice day in Miami. The total cost was $350. I actually was able to negotiate him down. That was for all the work in the living room plus adjusting the two locks in the bedroom. The estimate from my gentleman was $379, and that didn't include the two bedrooms. I probably could have gotten him to include that, but it was still a little bit less. So that's a good thing. I'm trying to save you money wherever I can. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.